This tech tip video looks at how to run an annual probable sunlight hours calculation, also referred to as an APSH calculation, and view the results in different formats within the IESVE. The APSH calculation measures the amount of direct sunlight that a window is expected to receive over the course of a year. We'll use an existing model for our APSH calculation. To run this calculation, we need to use the SunCast application. We first need to run a solar shading calculation, which we can select by going to Calculations, Solar Shading for Apache, or by selecting the solar shading icon. They both open the same solar shading dialog box. Here, we can set our calculation time period. The default period is a full year, which is what we need for APSH calculations. Once we've entered our desired settings, we can start the calculation. And on completion, we'll get a message saying Simulation Complete, which we can click on to view the results if we wish. We don't need to view the shading results to proceed. At this point, we can just go to Calculations, Annual Probable Sunlight Hours, and choose the format in which we wish to view our results, either as an XML spreadsheet, or as a CSV report, or as a table within the IESVE. If we select the table option, once it has opened, we can use the View icon to choose which results we want to display on our model. We click on the View icon to display the results of the column on the windows in the model. It helps to be in an axonometric view to see this. The opening values in the first column are the opening numbers that have been assigned to each window in our model, allowing us to quickly identify which opening each number refers to within our model. The next few columns give us reference data about the model geometry, which cannot be displayed on the model. The annual column gives us the annual APSH results, which can be viewed on the model openings. Results appearing in red are below the threshold of 25% that is set within the latest BRE daylight and sunlight guidance, whereas results appearing in green are above this threshold. The font size displayed on the model can be increased using Ctrl+ and decreased using Ctrl-. This makes it very easy to see which windows pass or fail based on the annual criteria. We can also apply the summer APSH results to our model. As there is no minimum threshold for these results, they'll just appear in black. Lastly, we can apply our winter APSH results to the model openings. These results have a 5% threshold, where once again we see the numbers in red where they fail and in green where they pass. We also have the option to change the APSH settings under Options, APSH Settings. This will open the APSH Settings dialog box, where we can alter the direct solar irradiance threshold, which is measured in watts per meter squared, or the cloud cover threshold, which is measured in octas. If we make an adjustment to either of these settings, we simply have to reopen our APSH table, and the updated values will be calculated. This is how we would use the Annual Probable Sunlight Hours calculation in SunCast and view the results in a table or displayed on the windows within our VE model. Thank you for watching this quick video on Tech Tips.